Well, it's a cold and rainy day in Fort Smith, but we're not going to let that stop us. There is still so much I want to show you. Buckle up. Good morning. Today it is 39 degrees here in Fort Smith. It feels like 34. It's wet and raining. But we are on our way to the Fort Smith Coffee Company to get breakfast and coffee and warm up a little bit and then plan what the rest of today is going to bring. I was sleeping like a baby this morning until the hotel accidentally set off some sort of tornado alarm or something in our room. I'm assuming it was throughout the whole hotel. At first, I knew it wasn't my phone alarm, but I thought maybe the alarm in the room got set or something. Anyway, I called downstairs and they apologized. So I think that was like 7 o'clock this morning or a few minutes before. So it was quite a way to wake up. We're gonna get coffee and keep exploring. Fort Smith Coffee Company, super cool place. It's really cool, like it's laid back. Today's Monday, there was a lot of people there having like morning meetings. I mean, it'd be a really cool place to just meet together and use the Wi-Fi and have some coffee. Seems kind of like a community hub in a way. It is the temperature of like a hair somewhere. The temperature outside has not warmed up. Okay, so the raindrops are massive. You know how it just sometimes it feels like it's just like a small sprinkle, or even like it can rain hard but the drops are small. These are like massive raindrops. So when you get pelted in the head with them, it's very uncomfortable. Anyway, we came back to the hotel to figure out what we're gonna do next. I'm hoping the rain kind of quits by lunch. There's like a lot of walking I want to do because there are murals all over the city. The Wyndham here is situated within walking distance to all of that. If not, it's supposed to be nicer tomorrow. Y'all know how Arkansas weather is. Tomorrow, if I read it correctly, is supposed to be sunny and 60. Today is rainy and 30. Fun fact, I worked at the Wyndham in Little Rock when I was younger, actually when I was in high school. So, but the Wyndham in Little Rock is not this big. Fort Smith has some of the coolest murals I've ever seen. We've made it to Rolando's restaurant. We have eaten at the one, hold up kids. We have eaten at the Rolando's in Hot Springs before, and we loved it. So I'm assuming this one is the same, but it's been years since I've been to the one in Hot Springs. So this will be great, right babe?
Absolutely.
Rolando's was absolutely incredible. I cannot speak highly enough of Vince, who was our waiter, and he was much more than that. Like I would love to all of us to sit down around a campfire with a pot of coffee, because he's got really good stories. It's definitely worth a try if you're in Fort Smith, and they have, like I said before, they have the one in Hot Springs too.
And there's one in Fayetteville as well.
Oh, and there's one in Fayetteville. And this one here in Fort Smith is the flagship restaurant, Vince told us. And it's in a historic building on the corner, so you can watch the traffic go by.
But it's different, unique food, not Tex-Mex. It's its own thing, and it's very good. And I think he said it's fresh and flavorful, and it's just very unique.
Timothy said it was the best chicken he's ever had in his life. Our son said the same thing. So anyway, now that we're full, we're headed into Spartan Adventure Park, which we didn't get to do yesterday. They were having a birthday party, so I just opted to, which you can go during when they're having parties, but I just opted to do it when they were less busy so I could film it for you guys. So now that we are stuffed with Ecuadorian food, we're gonna go jump on some trampolines.
Good idea.
Hello. That was so cool. The only thing I regret is this sweater and the wool socks I'm wearing, because when I got dressed this morning I completely forgot where we were going. But that's a lot of fun. I mean, for the kids it was fun.
Get up there. Maybe
For us it was fun. And they were having a lot of birthday parties in there, so it would be the perfect place to have a birthday party. But it's over here. What road are we on?
Rogers.
Rogers. We're near the Dollar Tree and Sam's Club. Conveniently located. And fun. I said that. Timothy and the kids cannot get over the waterfall that's here in Wyndham. They're always going downstairs to sit by it. It's like 10:45 at night right now. And instead of sleeping, they're sitting by the waterfall. I'll show you. It's also impossible to get their attention because that waterfall is like a giant sound machine. Okay, now we're for real going to bed because it's really late. But you know what this hotel reminds me of? A cruise ship. You know how like the atrium and some of the cruise ships are like this? That's why it's so hard to go to bed. It's too cool. We have one final day in Fort Smith, and that will all be in the next episode. If you liked this episode, please remember to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you around the natural state.